Hey everyone! In this short tutorial, I'll guide you on how to hide your activity status on Instagram. When this feature is turned on, other users can see when you're active. Let me show you what it looks like. I'll go to my homepage, then open my DMs, and as you can notice, this account has a green dot with Active Now. Now, I'll show you how to turn this off. First, go back to your profile page, which is located on the right side. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, and from there, we're in the Settings menu. Inside Settings, it's very straightforward. Just search for Show Activity Status, which is the very first option. Right now, it's turned on, which means others can see when we're online. To turn it off, simply tap the blue switch, and now it's off. This way, nobody can see your activity status anymore. If I head back to my DMs, you'll notice the green dot and Active Now label are gone. That's basically how it works. And if you're curious about who unfollowed you, you can check out this other video right here. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.